Hey everybody, Kenny here. Water cooling here. EK-CryoFuel solid here. We're gonna fill it up and see what happens here, and hopefully everything works, and hopefully I didn't break anything. Hopefully nothing leaks. Oh, make sure you close your drain right away. You guys appreciate my can't see anything. Do you guys appreciate my overwhelming confidence that this is gonna work? Look how confident I am that it's not gonna have an issue, right? Oh God. Are you guys ready? I really hope nothing leaks. I hope I didn't break anything. Let's just do a couple last test tightens. Everything feels tight. Let's pray this thing boots. Let's pray I didn't break anything. Ooh, it looks nice. Alright guys, it looks like it's doing pretty good, doesn't it? I don't see any leaks yet. Everything looks nice. Color looks nice. No leaks. You guys can hate me all you want for using this cheap ass soft tubing, but I love it. It sure is expensive. It sure is inexpensive when you want to just get rid of the crap and replace it. I really like the soft tubing for that. Just when you just don't want it anymore, just get rid of it. It's super easy. All right, guys, it's done more or less. You can see. Let's see if I can do this. Ooh, blue. Yes, epic. Look at the water block. The little guy is spinning. The fluid's in there, flowing. It looks really sweet like this, though, versus just distilled water. But not, it actually lights up with the colors the RGB does. And then the reservoir. Oh, I can't hold my camera steady. All right. We're done. It's going good. Look how much it used. Can you see this? Is it too dark? Focus. Well, whatever. It used like 700 milliliters in this thing. So almost a liter. Not quite, but almost. CryoFuel. Installed. Good to go. Looks good. I'm happy. No leaks. And we'll let this all settle out and the bubbles settle, and we should be good to go. I'll top it off though, make sure everything's good once everything settles, all the bubbles and foam and all that crap. But yeah, it looks like everything's good to go. The computer booted up. I didn't damage anything, didn't destroy anything. So yeah, that was quite a project, eh? But it looks good. I think it's done. I think I'm happy with it for the time being. Probably don't need to do anything for this with this thing and for a while now, hopefully, unless we have a whole lot of issues, like clogging or particles or anything like that. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, because maybe that'll happen. And maybe you'll be the first to know about issues with the CryoFuel in here. But I've been using CryoFuel for a long time now, and I love it. I don't have any complaints or issues with it other than it does stain your tubes and does do that, but you know, you have to clean that stuff out anyhow, and I don't mind doing that. It's just fun stuff to do. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe for all that stuff. CryoFuel, Azure Blue. Yes, I'm excited. Finally got to use it because I got a new GPU in the main rig, so the Titan can live in here with the 1700X, and they can live happily ever after in the wall mount. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hopefully this was mildly entertaining. And again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Take it easy.